Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Home to Inspire DIY Decor. This is Gwen. Today I will be doing a quick Target walkthrough and a small haul at the end. Please stick around to the very end and give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's go. the first thing I wanted to share was this cute gingerbread garland. This was $3. I thought that would be cute to add to my gingerbread Christmas decor. This is also something I found that was really cute. It's a hanging decor, a 2-piece ice skates. And this was $5. You could keep it the way it is or just decorate it, embellish it, hang it with maybe some greenery or something, maybe with some jute string, and hang it off your door or off of a wreath. I thought that was really cute, and it's a good size too for $5. Then I found these sets of unfinished wood ornaments. Each of these were $3 a piece. So not bad for something to DIY with, or my thoughts were I could possibly use these as feet if I were to DIY some risers, and they would make perfect feet. Then this cute little unfinished wood cutouts with gingerbread candy themed hot cocoa design, and this was in one of my other Target walkthrough. This was $3, and I thought it was super cute just to DIY with. I also found this cute bag that says reindeer feed. Comes with a little wooden spoon and a twine rope. Even has directions for how to feed reindeers. I thought that was super cute. And I also found this really cute amber colored glass jar or lantern. It has this faux leather handle and trim, and this was $5. They labeled it as glass lantern, so you could put an LED candle in there or use it as a vase. Thought that was really nice. Good quality, well made. Has this little trim. And this was on my last dollar spot walkthrough. It's a stack of books, hot cocoa served here, sip, sit, enjoy. Then I found this little cute family of snowmen. It's a set of 3 and it's $3. Thought that was super cute. And they're made of some type of foam. Next, I found these cute candy cane garlands or banner. And this was $3. I grabbed a couple since depending on where I hang it, I might run short. So I figured grabbing 2 would just play it safe so that I can ensure that I have enough to go over the length of wherever I plan on hanging this. So it's just a striped candy cane and this plaid design. I thought that was cute. Already done for you. $3, can't beat the price. Next up, I found some mistletoe greenery. They have little white berries on them and a red bow. It has this little hanger. You can hang it this way. You can use it in a traditional sense, hanging it over a door frame, or you can use it as decor, like what I plan on doing. I grabbed 3 just because when I do make something out of this, I probably would use it in a set. So I thought they were pretty good for $3, pretty full and well made. Along those lines, I found the mistletoe ball. This is more of the kissing ball version. It has a striped ribbon up top that you can use to hang it, or you can use it as tabletop decor, just laying there, even as a bowl filler. Maybe place it on a bowl or on a glass or something. I just thought that was cute. Ribbon is cute as well. I grabbed a couple of those. And then I saw these really cute gingerbread on a baking sheet. So I grabbed a few of those. Again, you can customize these if you wanted to put your family members' initials or names. You could change out the ribbon to a color that you prefer. Maybe make a different colored ribbon for each one. I grabbed a few of these. And that's something that I might do, is just customize them for family. Change out the ribbons. They were $1 a piece. Again, it's cute. It's already done for you. You can definitely make this yourself, but for $1 each, it's not too bad. And then I also found a very cute hearth and hand apron. This was on clearance. I saw it laying there by itself with this green sack striping going down the middle, which I think is super cute. I'm really fond of that look. It has like this strap and adjustable neck straps. And I got it for basically half off. It was $6.49. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Even just as decoration, you can hang this off of a hook or a peg rail or something in your kitchen. Throw a few kitchen towels alongside of it with some wooden cutting boards and call it a day. That would be super cute. Next, I found this cute puzzle. It's a sweets themed puzzle. And this was for $3. Then I found this really cute hand towel on sale for $2.50 with some pumpkins on it, and it's by the Threshold brand. And last but not least, I have this throw by the Studio McGee line by Threshold, and it was marked down at $21. It's very neutral, more of like an oatmeal color with this little multicolored yarn, which I thought was really nice. So that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.